A college professor and former Navy diver is living in a 55 square meter underwater space nearly 30 feet below the surface as part of research. Professor Joseph Dituri is studying how the human body responds to long-term exposure to extreme pressure. The 55-year-old professor is aiming to break a 73-day-long record of living underwater in a single stretch and extend it to 100 days while teaching biomedical engineering classes online. The former US Navy diver is living in a habitat located at Jules Undersea Lodge in Florida. The experiment, which began on March 1st, completed over 35 days as a team of psychologists and psychiatrists keep a close watch on Dituri's health and vital parameters. A medical team is documenting his health by regular dives to run a series of tests during which Dituri has to complete several psychosocial, psychological and medical tests. The human body has never been underwater that long, so I will be monitored closely. This study will examine every way this journey impacts my body, but my null hypothesis is that there will be improvements to my health due to the increased pressure, Dituri said. The study is aimed at advancing the findings of previous studies, which indicated that cells exposed to increased pressure double within 5 days has the potential to allow humans to increase their longevity and to keep disease associated with aging in check. Before joining the University of South Florida, Dituri served in the US Navy for 28 years as a diving officer. The former Navy diver suspects that the cure to many diseases can be found in undiscovered organisms in the ocean. Little research has investigated what effect long-term exposure to hyperbaric pressure has on the body.